Hey there, guys. This is Desh Chaudhuri here from Results Grow, and I have with me Ryan Blackburn, the operations manager here at Results Grow.
Hello.
Now, today we're going to be talking about an interesting topic. It's all about search term auditing. Now, you can either add your search terms or negate your search terms or leave them alone. But this is one of the most crucial aspects of running an effective account. Why, you may ask? It's because it helps you allow your ads to show to the right target audience. Google Ads is all about algorithms. So in order to feed it more data, you need to make sure you're negating or adding these search terms. Now today, what we're going to be talking about is how you can leverage AI and attended automation to do this task for you, saving you hundreds of hours in the long run. What we have done is use Zapier and ChatGPT to come with the solution up. And Ryan is going to break this down for you.
Let's dig in. So scripts and Google Ads Editor are your best friend because you can set up simple JavaScript scripts that execute and automate items at a specific frequency. So what we have set up here is what I call the search query report. So every day between 4 and 5 p.m., I take every search term that's happened in the 24 hours and I put it into a specific spreadsheet. From that spreadsheet, what I wanted to do is go to Zapier. What Zapier is set up to do is it takes all those search terms that have happened in the last 24 hours, sends it to ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is going to determine, based on the guidelines and the examples that we gave it, whether that's a positive or whether that's a negative keyword. So from there, if it determines it's a positive, it sends it to the positive keywords. If it determines it's a negative, it sends it to the negative keywords. So if I click on negatives here, and let's say I want to add really dumb keyword, super cheap air conditioning for free. Nobody's ever going to search that, so we'll use that as a test. So from there, we have a script that will automatically add it as a negative between 5 and 6 p.m. So between 4 and 5, it sends the search queries. That gives Zapier some time to execute. And then 5 to 6, it will automatically add those to the campaign that we specified in the code. So from there, I'll simply just run this. Keep in mind, this will automatically run at that 5 to 6 p.m. time that we scheduled. So I'll run without preview because I know this code works. Gives a minute. And what I can see is all those keywords that we had set in there are now set as negative. So if I take this keyword that I put in, I do keyword text, super cheap air conditioning in Houston, bang, set as a negative keyword. All automated, nothing to worry about. And the beauty about it is the more data that you feed the AI on positive and negative, if it ever makes a mistake, feed it so it knows it's correct or incorrect, it will get better and better and better. You can automate this so it happens every 7 days. You can automate this so it happens every 24 hours, whatever frequency that you prefer. Super simple, super easy, and you can see what's happening all in one spreadsheet. Now, the benefits of this AI setup is simply time saving. Now, when you're doing a keyword audit, that's going to be the main time waster setting up any Google Ads campaign or maintaining any campaign. You're going through a repetitive process, looking at keywords that you've already set as a negative in other accounts, looking at keywords that are very similar to each other. And it's really not something that takes a lot of skill to do. It's that manual labor that if we can stop it from happening, if we can have an AI automatically do that, we can spend time properly auditing the account, looking at more accounts in a single day, obviously keeping an eye on what the AI does, but just at a quick glance, looking at the positive and the negatives that it's set, increasing the bids on certain keywords, decreasing the bids on certain keywords. It just gives us that more time that we would spend doing a remedial task to focus on improving our clients' ads.
Now, if you want to stay in the loop with us with AI and what else you can use AI for regarding your Google Ads or general marketing accounts, leave us a like and follow us on our social media platforms to stay updated.